Hi friends, this is SSN Raju. Welcome to my channel Currency of India. In this video we will show you the latest coins released by Government of India. Before going into the details, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the more updates. Two more coins were released recently. The first one was 125 rupees coin in commemoration of 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. This is the obverse side. Ashokan pillar with Satyameva Jayate logo, Bharat in Hindi, India in English, and 125 rupees with rupee symbol logo. In the reverse side of the coin, we can see the portrait of Subhash Chandra Bose, 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, both in Hindi and English. Let us see the metallic composition. It is made up of silver with 50%, copper 40%, zinc 5%, and nickel 5%. Shape is circular, outside diameter 44 mm, standard weight is 35 grams. This is not for public circulation, it is only for collection purposes, and the cost of the coin is 3150 rupees. This is the postal stamp released by Government of India on the eve of 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Let us see the other coin release. This is the first ever 250 rupees coin released by Government of India. This is in commemoration of 250th session of Rajya Sabha. We all know Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the Parliament of India. Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha together with President of India constitute Parliament of India. As per Constitution of India, the strength of the Rajya Sabha has been fixed at a maximum of 250 members including 12 nominated members. The first session of Rajya Sabha was held on 13th May 1952. This is the obverse side of the coin. Ashokan pillar with Satyameva Jayate logo, Bharat in Hindi, India in English, 250 rupees with rupee logo. This is the reverse side of the coin. Parliament House in the center with Mahatma Gandhi portrait on the Parliament House with 250 members of Rajya Sabha around him represented by 250 dots. 250th session of Rajya Sabha, both in Hindi and English. One more interesting feature of this coin is this is made up of pure silver and weight of the coin is 40 grams. This coin is not for public circulation, this is only for collection purposes. The cost of the coin is 5500 rupees, and those who are interested to buy this coin, they can order directly from the India Government Mint, Mumbai. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. We will be very happy to have your comments on this. Please do subscribe our channel for more updates. Yours, SSN Raju.